You know what I'm saying?
चल चल उतना edit कर सकते हैं. Serious face.
Okay, hey guys, I'm Keen Alfred and this is Ashwin Salian and we are here with Koshish for our interview featuring Hamza Kazi, Anish and Mangesh.
Dude, one sec. Didn't Michael Caine play the character Alfred in that? And your name is Caine Alfred.
Yes.
Woo!
Okay, our first question up. Why Koshish? Who came up with the name?
It's a very difficult question. Can we answer that in the end?
That's
cannot?
first in the questionnaire.
I think it was a very sexy name. You know, I felt very sexy when I said Koshish. Yeah. Yeah, I think I imagined some.
Even though that song was released like 5 years after the band was formed.
That's the answer.
Okay, so how's the romance in the band going on?
He's gay and he is gay.
Yeah, do a lot of romance.
Like, especially in the jam, bro. You see white patches.
That's fungus.
Dude, हमला के अलावा और भी कोई रहता रहेगा.
Colonel Fungus.
Okay, I'm sure you guys have been asked this a million times, but how did Koshish happen?
Like, you just write and just
Who
happen.
made the questions? Like you did.
No.
And then
Okay,
who made the questions?
it's a twitch wow when he said, who made?
तू किया ना?
Shit, पकड़ा गया.
Hey, so on a serious note, these guys wanted to audition for a Slipknot cover band, no?
Me and Mangesh.
Both,
So,
for the position of one guitarist.
so there was a competition.
Yeah. Was it?
ऐसा था ना?
Actually, he was
We just
earth
make
and
it
he
more
was fire
interesting.
and he was water and I was wind and I'm like, we brought Captain Fire.
Captain
And Mittu was love.
Okay.
Heart.
Heart was the
How did this
Martin.
band happen is what you asked, right? I forgot.
Happened in the
No, so on a serious note, these two guys went for an audition for a metal band. कोई तो था. And then they said, चल
Suck.
Hindi band बनाते. So then
Kurt
they
Angle.
made a Hindi band. Then they recruited one bass player, one drummer, and then they threw them out. Then they recruited us, and that's how Koshish
Recruited
Koshish.
on shine.com.
Next
An
time.
advertisement.
No, seriously.
Okay, so how did the concept for the album come up? How hard was it to write 10 songs for the album?
That is a serious question.
That's a good question.
Good question.
See, initially we didn't have any concept in mind, to be honest. We just we had 3 songs, and we thought, okay, let's just keep playing these 3 songs and try and be a little recognized. Then when the band got a little stronger in the core, the bass and the drums are the most important aspects in a band. We've never really had a good bassy or a good drummer either. So we were really, for the first time, we had these 2, core elements which we never had, and suddenly it just ideas combined with more ideas and it started shaping up. So we said, okay, now 7 songs, we just write it according to a concept, 6 songs I guess. And then, the whole first 3 songs in fact had a theme. It wasn't too disconnected, so we thought, okay, let's
Unintentionally.
Hey, by the way, core doesn't mean the genre core. It wasn't into that.
So who was the first one to come up with this idea among you all?
Come up with what? The concept.
Yeah.
I guess all of us were into prog bands, and we to write a concept album is so much more difficult than just writing one song about rebellion and another song about hope and just making an album. So I guess all of us at some level were into prog bands, and it was just, I don't know, it was just a collective decision to one day say, these 3 songs kind of have a common theme, so why not give it a shot? And then everyone just built on it, and then
In fact, I think it was his idea. I think Hamza was the guy who was into bands like Tool and Pocket Pantry. I wasn't really into these bands when we met and stuff. So he was always Tool this, Tool that, and I'm like, okay man, let me just see what this Tool thing is. So that's when I was introduced to concept albums in entirely understood what.
And we didn't force ourselves to actually.
Yeah, we didn't want to like, oh,
Yeah.
let's do it because Tool did it. It was just exciting to do it, like, you know.
It was a challenge because especially for him, like because we wanted to be like as technical as possible, so we were moving into a more technical space, and he had to come up with like Hindi lyrics to not sound like cheesy, you know. So like it was more challenging to do it, and I think that's one of the reasons why we also undertook it, because it was like we had like a benchmark that we had to, you know, sort of reach. So that's
Any
I like the way, you know, Hamza ends. So, yeah. That's it. That's
any funny incidents you had?
one.
So many.
Any dude, you think we have a
Yeah,
plan?
we just had a funny incident.
Can we not make a collage of all the funny incidents we had right now?
this guy is in the band. You should watch some of the video blogs.
Yeah.
Like
We
they are.
recorded the whole album just on his underwear, like.
Yeah, while recording.
That's why there's no bass blog.
Yeah, because it was too.
I was just testing. I wanted to see how much research I've done. There is a bass blog and he's wearing pants in it. Serious.
Shit, Hamza, everybody's not like you.
Dude, first of all, उसको थोड़ा तू आराम से बोल ना, अभी समझने तो दे क्या बोल रहा है.
Research नहीं
Ask him
किया.
how many songs Tool has released, he'll tell you.
2.
Tool?
They added the L.
No, but we had a blast recording because we were recording with Zoran, who was also like.
Yeah, but there are no blast beats.
नहीं समझ रहा.
Blast beats.
So you're Kane or what?
Yeah.
Dude, I thought you were Ashwin.
I'm Ashwin.
Okay.
तो इधर ही स्कोर करने जाएगा कोकेन
Cocaine! What's a cocaine?
हाँ क्या चाहिए हाँ कोकेन चाहिए क्या नाम है केन हाँ ऐसा हो जाएगा
Kiss cocaine. Next
I've
question.
heard that a lot.
Huh?
I've heard that a lot.
Heard what?
Yeah.
Cane Coke.
Cane.
Okay, why did you all decide to write in Hindi? Like, not many bands do that.
Because it was what language you think in.
Yeah, Hindi. So
That's why I wrote the like that was my first language. I think in Hindi, you know, and then it's now jumbled up. It's a little mixed, but that time was purely Hindi. I could just, you know, it was very comfortable writing it. But I never realized this band is going to become like progressive, and then I have to whack my edge into like writing unconventional song, which was in fact, I mean, was a really good thing because we kept pushing boundaries.
As in his writing style,
Vocabularies.
yeah, his writing style is not too conventional. Like it's very different. So I think that's
And his
how.
vocab is also like.
To come to look of it, it's like a band with just Hindi lyrics. There are not Hindi elements in the band if you come to look of it. So it's like it doesn't have like cheesy words like mohabbat, pyar and
प्यार है.
pyar hai, okay, dhoka,
हाँ
और
धोखा नहीं है. धोखा नहीं.
whatever man. That's
See, it's rather than like, you know, the way Hindi is like a beautiful language. It's just like you need to understand which words would, you know, fit into the genre of music. It's like if you listen to these words in a ghazal, you love them. Like
Yeah.
I listen to ghazals and when some like Hariharan would sing a ghazal and use the word mohabbat, you sound like wow. But like, you know, there are some things which are really difficult. How would you describe space in Hindi? I cannot use the word antariksh. You know, it's like it's firstly very difficult to sing antariksh and, you know, things like.
actually, you can't even.
Like how would you
think of
describe
phrasing
alien?
it.
If I want to write a song in Hindi about aliens, what would I write, dude? Alien को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में?
तो इसको मालूम रहेगा.
तू alien है ना?
नहीं नहीं और नहीं वो dubbing
तेरा वो खोलना अंदर एक छोटा
बंद है, network connection lost.
So yeah, Hindi is like it's just that the way I think it's misinterpreted and or maybe never like nobody thought of like putting it in this kind of music.
Because I guess a lot of things were thrown in such a way that you're not able to think the other way. Like Bollywood and all these kinds of music, they're just coming through and you don't know like what to do something else. Like because you're listening to the same thing, so it becomes very difficult to get out of it and do something different. Think, put your ideas, make certain words which doesn't sound funny or you know, it's-
It's quite a challenge actually. So
India's got challenge.
That you can edit out. Like,
Are you guys into any pre-performance rituals?
yeah.
Yes, we all of us have like.
I think one ritual that we all do collectively in our houses before a gig is take a bath. I don't know about him.
I take a dump.
Yeah, he does that. Like for any gig,
twice.
like he will know where the bathroom is, and he will have taken a dump before he goes on stage.
I just use my GPS to
Nokia.
Dude, flush bhi aayega abhi.
Oh, yeah. One second.
SFX, no?
We just like showed you how it sounds when he comes out. You know, how-
So you want to take that question again?
No, it's a first one question.
Cool.
That's just
So, but yeah, no ritual, man. We just like maybe we'll individually do warm-ups.
Actually, we don't have any time for rituals because at the time,
You
the
want-
last song has been played by some band before us.
Yeah.
Hamza is like, oh, come on, go, and we are like,
Chalo, no,
ritual, oh, sorry, no ritual, oh, no ritual. Then the second you realize you're on stage and everyone is setting up and you're like, okay, fine,
Basically,
the time to set
he's
up.
not able to take dump before going on stage.
No, I do
Have
that
you taken
after
dump
taking
today?
the dump. I usually miss the last song of every band, man, because of that.
I'm saying you want to use the tool right now.
No, there's no performance happening.
अभी jam करेंगे ना नीचे.
नहीं,
अच्छा हाँ, jam के पहले
के
नहीं रहता.
performance, bro.
जैम के बाद होता
There are
है.
no rituals, man. I mean, anybody has rituals or what? I don't know. See,
Slipknot
but
has rituals, by the way.
it's not they vomit on each other.
Yeah, that's the
Ah.
ritual.
But that was when they were like metal. Now that they've become like hard rock, there's no mention. Have you noticed that? There's no mention of like you have to edit this out. Right? It's like Corey Taylor sees me come and kick my ass.
Yeah, dude, we can actually do that.
Yeah.
Everywhere else we say Hamza, ja, ja.
Banned. Hamza banned on stage by Slipknot.
Oh crap, yeah.
No, dude.
Okay, so are your girlfriends jealous of your hair, apart from you?
So I'm not supposed to answer this. Right?
You don't have long hair, so.
I did.
Yeah, you used to have long hair.
Like he can grow long hair if you want to get.
Feel it grow like types. Yeah.
Don't ask him all these questions, man.
No man, not at all.
Yeah, we inspire our girlfriends to have long hair.
Longer
Inspired
hair.
them,
Longer hair.
Yeah, rather. So it's no,
I
it's
would
just a
like
healthy
longer
competition.
I have to compete.
That's a very nasty question, by the way.
Nasi.
तू ऐसा आंसर करेगा तो भी स्कैम हो जाएगा.
हाँ और नहीं भी करेगा तो भी नहीं.
सवाल
मतलब ये क्वेश्चन किसने बनाया?
कोई लड़की
हाँ,
ने
वही
बनाया.
इसके लिए देखा भी नहीं तुम लोग किधर.
ये question of sex है.
ऐसा पूछा रहेगा.
No girl told us to ask this.
They don't take shit from girls.
You don't take no shit from girls. Yeah.
Bull. Next question.
How does it like being called the tool of India?
Oh,
Nobody
Who
calls
has
it.
called
oh man, who called it?
That's all.
No
you
one
need.
calls this.
I don't know. I've never heard
Yeah.
anybody call me that. Us. That's damn funny. In fact, we're not the tool of any country.
You're the fool.
We're the spanner of India, maybe. The tour of India, bro.
Because while promoting our fest, okay, we mentioned that we'll be having Koshish and Biscuit come. And first thing the people will tell us is, shit, we've got tool.
Oh, no way,
So like,
man.
That's
Dude,
like
we're like-
every band is hyped in some way or the other.
Yeah, but
That's like a dream come true to watch.
open for it.
Yeah.
You should have got Tool also, yeah. Like Koshish in the
At
States and Tool.
Shanuka Hall.
Shamuga and the hall.
Yeah.
But
But
So you guys listen to Tool by any chance?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good.
Why?
You shouldn't listen to Tool. Yeah, you must listen to
You
it.
should stop listening to that man.
You must listen to Linkin Park.
Then just get
One Direction.
Oh, Limp Bizkit is a kick-ass band, boss. You don't like.
Even
You cannot
Linkin
listen to
Park
Limp
is a
Bizkit
kick-ass
either.
band.
You cannot listen to
Obviously, yes.
that sounded.
Yeah, so we are not the tool of any country. That's it, no? Anybody wants to say anything about Tool being any part of your system?
We are the new Honey Singh.
yeah, now if somebody says that, then
Then something's wrong with us.
That's like an achievement.
no, but then don't put that also. We'll get banned from all the big events then.
Okay, so what's your take on performing in halls? Because people have a very negative response to seeing rock in halls.
No, man, like
It's
That's,
uh,
you know,
It's a splendid idea.
When we approach people, they were like, how is it possible? You're having a rock event in a.
No, but
It might be because of the seating arrangement. It might be
no,
the
but
first thing
like
because-
I'll tell you, a lot of prog bands prefer playing in indoor halls, and one of the best gigs that I've ever watched was in the O2 Arena seated section, where I saw Porcupine Tree, and everyone was like, because I mean, in prog rock there's no moshing or there's no like jumping or stuff where generally you want to sit and like enjoy the performance, like
Watch the band.
yeah.
Just
So.
get the whole energy.
And we're like really kicked about playing at Shamukananda because I've seen Billy Cobham, I've seen Steve Smith, I've seen Terry Bozzio perform at that stage.
Victor Wooten.
Yeah, Victor Wooten,
Scott Henderson.
Scott Henderson.
Jethro Tull, the band.
Shakti.
So all those guys have performed on that stage. So like,
So it's an honor, man, to
Yeah.
be on that stage.
Dream come true when you.
like to anybody who says indoor is not happening, you should like ask them to talk to
See,
Steve.
indoor is like if you play in a house and all.
Yeah, which also we have done.
Which
Yeah, in a bungalow.
Yeah, back in the day. We've actually played in somebody's bungalow.
Okay.
and we
Some
made a
in
lot of
Chembur,
money.
actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I guess it's more fun when it's indoors because
Everything is controlled, I guess. That's where it's a totally different thing. I think I personally like indoor.
And that way it's more intimate and like the people are just like so close to you. So whatever you're playing is what they are getting and it's getting it back. Yeah.
No, but yeah, we're looking forward to it.
good that you guys chose that. Really happy.
Very happy.
No, actually, people were happy that we're getting two amazing bands, but when it came to approaching us for passes, they just said like it's weird. You're having a
Oh,
air conditioned. It's weird. That's the
Why?
first thing that came up. Like how can you have two bands come on stage and perform when you can do it outdoor? There's a lot of energy outdoor. That was the
What
word.
rubbish.
It's actually-
Dude, as a matter of fact, you get the best sound indoors, man.
I mean, it's actually a mindset. Like, it's just like, just because you see other bands playing.
in fact,
Dude, let's face
you
it,
know,
when you see any band outdoors, the sound guys usually are not that top notch as what you have in the indoors scenario. And of course, you have this DJ sound guy who's good. In the majority of shows, I'm not comparing with this band, I'm like this college gig or that college gig. But then the sound suffers a lot because of that. What you hear through the PA, which the people hear, and what you play on the stage is extremely different. But you want to play on the stage and everything is like kept ready for you, the sound is ready and it's going to be top notch.
most prog bands prefer playing in, like if you see any Tool show, it's all seated, man. Like all arena shows are all seated. And even Steven in so many interviews, he said that he prefers playing in an indoor environment because it's controlled and good sound.
I mean, I think after this gig, people might change their mindset. and
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Really hope to.
This is the first time Thunderstruck is happening indoors. So.
Yeah,
I think it's the first time any college event is happening indoors, man.
Actually,
in a hall, like.
Because like when we first were given an option to choose between a venue.
Not laughing at you, I'm laughing at Hamza's query.
Yeah.
More find that out, dude.
Yeah.
Has anybody done an indoor?
No, I've played so many college events, man. None of them have been like indoor, except there was one which didn't happen. 2000 Bitch Pilani Waves, Goa, where because of some problem they moved the indoor event outdoors. Yeah, like it was crazy. Yeah. So you had what other options did you have? I'll make you feel bad about that option.
We had the MMRDA ground.
Are you serious? You guys have that much money?
Yeah, but we did have that option, but getting permissions for that would take like
seriously, man.
very long time. So
yeah, it's quite obvious.
we
You
had
need to have some political
Exactly.
You should just contact Anish and get you all the permission.
mothership.
Yes. So
You
yes, so
had
much of
two options. You had Shamukananda Hall and MMRDA.
and we had KG Somaya grounds. in Ghatpur.
No band has played
Yeah.
there. So
Yeah.
I mean, no international band has played
So,
there.
I mean, thinking about knowing the sound of the hall,
It's the best place you have, man. What do you
Yeah,
guys
man.
say? I mean, music
Seriously, man, you're
acoustic.
gonna get a best.
Pat yourself on the back. Just do it.
हाँ जोर से भी मार.
वो आवाज आएगा ना.
No phone effects.
another frequently asked question, why white?
ये सब क्या है यार? एक ही क्वेश्चन बार बार लेके आते हो. अच्छा लगता है व्हाइट. तेरे को नहीं पसंद व्हाइट?
You do.
नहीं,
It's
Because
metal, it's
any,
rock,
like-
so it should be black, no?
Yeah, dude, there's no
Any-
hard and fast rule. I mean, like this is
We might
how
start very
we.
blue.
Yeah,
Or
this
yellow.
is how we feel
We love
express to
But no,
people.
any reason behind it, or you're just
The only reason I had in mind was the band. We are an ugly band, man. And
We
white,
look right if
yeah,
you
white
wear
look,
white, especially me.
white look really.
No, but now we've got like projections and all, so the stuff gets projected onto the white clothes also. Like, I'm just bullshitting. No, but sometimes that does happen. Like if we have like at Blue Frog when we play, the projections are on the bodies, so that kind of helps. But yeah, but no specific reason. Man. In fact, in the Kappa TV shoot that's going to come on air sometime, maybe next week, we've worn black. So doesn't really
Because
matter.
they are
There's
lights.
no.
Yeah, they are lights.
Exactly, as such.
So, but yeah. Sometimes there is like coordination issues. So two of us wear black and two of us wear white.
That's very balanced.
But these are damn intellectual questions you guys are asking. My head is just like
About to
It's
explode.
processing now.
overclocking right now, man. Very nice.
What end in office में?
Next
सब कुछ fake news निकाल देंगे.
हाँ, dude, I-
But I want to ask you a question. I'll just interview you for 3 questions. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Why do you ask frequently asked questions?
Because it's frequent.
Then you want to know what?
Because you get frequently asked answers.
So what is, like, what's the logic behind it?
well, we've been before coming for this interview. We've seen a couple of videos.
Okay.
So
You saw a couple of videos.
yeah, of like other interviews of you guys. So we really
Then you said,
enjoyed.
yeah, ये question हवा पूछते हैं इसको.
No.
Hey, question पूछना है
We-
इसको.
we enjoyed some of the responses, so we were looking forward to nice, amazing.
तो ऐसा मतलब अच्छा ठीक है.
अच्छा
So
मतलब ये प्लान कर क्या है ये पूरा?
ठीक है चल next 2 question cancel. हाँ awkward silence moment आ गया. That's it.
Anything you guys want to say for all fans Thunderstruck?
You guys have been doing some kick-ass publicity, so like it's really commendable. And you started like what 2 months ago, 1 month ago? No, more than that.
Two.
Yeah, 2 months. So like so far it's been great. We're really looking forward to the clinic also, and to the performance obviously because you guys have given us a chance to play at such an amazing venue. Please good. अभी खुद से करने दे. So
भड़क जाएगा.
एक आगे से वाला है.
So,
एक और माता देता हो.
we're like super happy and excited. Anybody else?
I think it's a dream venue, man. Shanukananda Hall, and like I always wanted to play there. And since I mean the kind of genre that we play in, I feel that Shanukananda Hall is going to be one of the best gigs that we're gonna have. Possibly.
But he wanted to like him to say something about
Yeah,
the
because
Thunderstruck guy,
because
not
these
Shanukananda.
guys have got Shanukananda Hall, man. So
But he's
that's a
asking
big
you
thing
to
for you
talk
there.
about the fans. Tell them something about what you think about the fans that you'd see on in the.
That's what I said. They would be getting one of the best shows of Koshish.
Point there.
Point
Cover up. Yeah.
But no, thanks. Like a huge
Yeah,
thanks
it's like
to.
like Hamza would really sum it up. He'll have like a long list of people to thank him. Hamza, you got your list?
ये दो ही है लिस्ट में और महेश.
Okay, I got the list. So I'd like to thank Potatoes, I'd like to thank Blade Guitars, I'd like to thank Feisty Cymbals and Apex Drums, I'd like to thank ESP Basses, I'd like to thank Shrikant's mom and Anish's grandpa, because they both have their genes.
Jeans. Yeah, I'm carrying my grandpa's
ये
jeans.
फटा हुआ है.
No, but yeah, Thunderstruck is going to be epic. I guess we played this.
We
all-
played in 2007.
In Nehru.
But I think-
No,
Oh.
Fantasy.
Fantasies, yeah.
I think we won on competition.
Yeah, we won. That was, I think,
That
the
time
first
we
show.
were-
It was a competition.
Yeah, the first
We
show
started
we
off
won.
the competition.
Yeah, SIS Fantasy.
That was a funny show, man. The thing was, we didn't have a drummer, so we
So
said,
our drama actually backed out.
"Oh yeah."
Yeah.
Cool. Abhinav?
So he backed out. See what tough time we had.
So we played acoustic. Like,
See what
It's just like difficult. Yeah. So it was fun. So that was the first gig we even played
yes.
with that bass
With that
player.
bass player.
Shalin? See? SIS and
We even
lot of
counted the number of notes he played. 64.
Yeah. But
That's an inside joke. You guys can laugh. It's okay.
No, pretend that you understood the
You
joke.
understood it, yeah.
You can do that.
so yeah. Thanks.
Thanks a
Thank
lot.
you so much.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks
for
a lot.
coming up with us.
I say that on the camera.
Hi guys, I'm Kane Alfred and this is Ashwin Salyan. We are interviewing Koshish and we are Pet Parrot. Mittu. Okay, Mittu. Just a couple of questions to start off with Thunderstruck.
Fail, dude, fail. Cut कर इसको. Question क्यों दे रहे हैं हम लोग का? इसको पूछ कि हाँ, so what do you think about the song Firdos? That's it, something like that. And then we start again. And you not as
Don't ask the same question, then.
ये बहुत high है.
Shoot no.
क्या बहुत high है?
So what do you think? Hey,
What's up?
Okay.
What's up?
Okay, Mittu, are you going to come for Thunderstruck?
Of course.
Translation. Yeah, I'm gonna come.
Yeah. I'm saying. यहाँ पे edit करना पड़ेगा.
I think, like, seriously asking him questions.
Okay,
So, look at him.
Let him look at the question.
why Koshish? Who came up with the name?
no, not now. When he keeps quiet, you ask him.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Over there. वहाँ पर enter.
Turn करना उसको.
Turn the page.
Okay, why Koshish? Who came up with the name?
No, I don't know. He knows it. तू कब से prompt कर रहा है?
अरे